Here's what they drink. The most impressive health benefits of eating cloves. 1. Cloves have antibacterial properties. 2. Cloves can help alleviate tooth pain. 3. Cloves have anti-inflammatory properties. 4. Cloves can help protect against aging. 5. Cloves can be used as a cough suppressant. 6. Cloves are packed with fiber. 7. Cloves can help regulate blood sugar levels. Incredible health benefits of cinnamon. Health benefits of cinnamon. 1. Acts as antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal. 2. Loaded with antioxidants. 3. Reduces inflammation. 4. Manage type 2 diabetes. 5. Reduce the cholesterol levels. 6. Reduces blood pressure. 7. Protective against cancer. Ginger tea benefits. 1. Better digestion. 2. Improves immunity. 3. Alleviates PMS symptoms. 4. Relieves nausea and upset stomach. 5. May help with cancer. 6. Reduces pain. 7. Healthier skin. Ingredients: cloves, cinnamon, ginger, olive oil.